Okay, glorious families, this is just a tip on how to do some decorations. We're still going to be uploading some beautiful craft ideas, but seriously this year I'm not spending no dime on decorations. The ones I have, I put it up, and then I'm going to be doing some craft. He showed us some of his decorations and they are so beautiful, so beautiful. So this, I would say, this is an idea.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
You can decorate your bathrooms, you can decorate, just make your home look somewhat different, beautiful, sparkling. One thing I love about Christmas is the sparkling aspect of it, decorative aspect of it, beautiful memories of the birth of Christ, even though we later found out that Jesus Christ wasn't born on the 25th of December as it is claimed, but that date was the gods of the sun date. That was the day they used to celebrate gods of the sun. So it has a serious pagan root.
Hello, my dear. You look so lovely tonight.
Thank you.
Are you going to bring lots of goodies home to your children?
Oh yes.
They're expecting it.
Thank
you. Did you get a picture of that leg that you want to
I did. It's so beautiful.
Okay. If we win it, I'll get it because Ron's not driving.
Thank you.
So what are you going to do for Christmas?
Well, we will be making some chicken, Nigerian jollof rice, and fried rice. And then we'll be dancing. I have some dancing music already go ready.
We'll get pictures of that.
Right.
We'll share it in the
Okay. But nevertheless, I appreciate the fact that at least the memory of the birth of Christ had overwhelmed the reason that date was adopted. So it had overwhelmed that date which was adopted. So we bless God for the birth of Jesus Christ, and that is why I can now proudly, celebrate Christmas without even thinking about any other pagan roots. So here someone was kind of interviewing me. Enjoy yourself while you have some beautiful ideas.